Hi everyone, today I'm going to show you how to make the viral Trader Joe's shrimp pizza, so let's get started with the video. These are the ingredients I'll be using. I got them all from Trader Joe's and I'll have them listed in the description. First, thaw and cut the shrimp into bite-sized pieces. Next, place the shrimp in a bowl. Then add 1 tablespoon of olive oil, a half a teaspoon of Old Bay, a half a teaspoon of Cajun Seasoning, and a half a teaspoon of paprika. Then toss the shrimp in the seasonings until they're completely coated. When you're finished, set the shrimp to the side. Next, in a large pan over medium heat, add 1 tablespoon of olive oil and 2 tablespoons of butter. Once the butter is melted, add 1 tablespoon of minced garlic. Then cook the garlic for 1 minute or until fragrant. Next, add the shrimp and cook them for 2 minutes. Once the shrimp are partially cooked, remove them from the pan. The shrimp will finish cooking completely in the oven. This way, when you bake the pizza, the shrimp won't be overcooked. Once you have removed the shrimp, add 1 more tablespoon of butter in the pan. Once the butter is melted, set the garlic butter to the side to use later. Next, take out the garlic and herb pizza dough. Make sure you leave the dough out for around 20 minutes before you remove it from the packaging. Sprinkle some flour on a flat surface, then knead the dough a little bit before stretching it out. Once you've stretched out the dough, place it on a pizza pan or a baking sheet. This is optional, but if you want a thick crust, fold the edges around the pizza dough. Next, place the pizza crust in the oven at 450 degrees for 10 minutes. While the pizza crust is baking in the oven, heat up the lobster bisque. You can either heat up the lobster bisque on the stove or in the microwave. I was feeling a bit lazy, so I ended up heating it up in the microwave. Now that everything has been prepared, you can finally assemble the pizza. First, add the lobster bisque to the pizza crust. Only use as much as you need. You don't need to add the entire container of lobster bisque. Then spread it out evenly. Next, add shredded mozzarella cheese. Then add the shrimp. Then add some more mozzarella cheese. Now add the bruschetta sauce evenly throughout the pizza. Next, brush the crust with the leftover garlic butter we saved before. Finally, drizzle the remaining garlic butter on top of the pizza. Now place the pizza in the oven for 10 to 15 minutes. Once the pizza has finished baking in the oven, sprinkle red pepper flakes, basil, and Parmesan cheese on top. And this is the finished result. This pizza was so good. The recipe is also super easy, and if you want to make it easier, you can always use the Trader Joe's pre-made crust instead of using the dough. Alright, that's it for this video. Thank you guys so much for watching. Everything I used in this video will be down in the description below. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Bye!